Okay, year 7, here we are with lesson 2 of the From Above project. And last week we started off by selecting one of these squares from the maps here and transferring it into one of your larger squares on the paper, sketching out the image, and then we practiced our shading skills. Okay, and you can see I've finished mine off here. Notice every single part of this square has some sort of shade on it, be it a light tone or a dark shade. And also in some places I've even tried to do it where it goes lighter to darker around the outside edge. When you get to that stage with your picture, and some of you still have some of this to do this week, when you get to that stage you're then going to move on to the next square. And I've got mine here. First of all, you can select a different square off the map, or you can use the same one. If you notice what I've done with mine, I've taken this one and I've moved it a quarter of a turn. So it's the same image, but I've twisted it round. Drawn it out, and as you can see I've started at the top there, whereby I'm now going to start using pencil crayon. Now obviously pencil crayon, very similar to pencil. And as before, what I want you to do is first of all go around the inside edge of the shape that you are colouring in, and then you're going to fill it in the middle. Taking care, don't go for too long a stroke of pencil. Do it a bit at a time like that. You'll get a much neater finish. I don't want to see anybody rushing this and getting a scribbly sort of finish. I want it to be neat and carefully done. And what you do here is, obviously we don't want the same colour touching in each part. So where I've then got this long road here, this long road I can do with an orange there, because that's not any of those colours there. And you're going to do that. Now, to make it a bit more interesting, you could do something similar to how we did the shading, in that you could change the intensity of the colour inside the shape. So if I fill all that in with the orange, what I might then be tempted to do is go over it again and make the outside edge a little bit richer in colour. It's not darker, but it's richer. Okay, so going round there, and that just adds a little bit of difference to it. It shows that you're not just colouring in the shape, you're putting a bit of thought into it, and you're building up that like that. Could even do it with the red here, where this one just goes darker towards one end, and then it gradually goes lighter. You take the pressure off your pencil and it will go lighter, so you get something like that. So this is a very straightforward one here. Now you're going to literally colour in each section using pencil crayon. Every single section will be a different colour, and you won't have the same colour touching. Okay, that's your task for this week. Do make sure that you finish the shaded one first and then move on to this one. Okay, have fun. Let's see what you can do. Thank you.